Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product images in thank you page in WooCommerce WordPress. So we are in order received page. Now you see order detail and then you see product. So we are going to show product images in thank you page. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert, header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see product image and then you see span style float left display block width and then you see get image array 48 its mean 48 pixel height and width. Scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to thank you page. Now refresh the page. Now you see product image in thank you page. So this is order received. And if you want to increase image size, back to code. Now you see width 56. Now make it 115 px and then you see get image array 48. Now make it 100, less than this width 100. So you can add number according to your requirement and then click on update. Now snippet updated. Go to thank you page and refresh the page. Now you see image height and width increase by adding more number, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.